Hare Krishna. Our glory to Shiva Prabhupada, Savior of the world. Today we're making split pea soup. We're using yellow split peas. I'm using 2.5 cups. Wash properly. And put to boil. And you have to boil that for 20 minutes. 1 teaspoon turmeric to boil. Now we're going to make dumplings for our soup. 2 cups of organic unbleached flour. And 1 cup of whole wheat organic flour. Mix well. A pinch of Himalaya salt, Himalaya pink salt, just a pinch. You need cold water to mix this dough, and you don't have to mix it too soft. It has to be a hard dough because we're making the dumplings with it. So it don't have to be hard. Keep adding water until it comes together, but remember it has to be a hard dough. Hard dough for the dumplings, not soft. This is how your dough should look like. Not too soft and not too hard. Chop 1 carrot in small cubes. Remove from heat and liquefy it. This is how it should look. Put it back on the heat and you add your carrots. Start making the dumplings. You take little pieces like this and you roll them like this and throw them in. Like that, and throw them in. Dough might get a little sticky, so you add a little dry flour. It has to be like, you know, like this. 1 teaspoon of salt, Himalaya salt, pink salt. Yeah, you boil it for 10 minutes. Take a little ghee and gotta fry some cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in the ghee. Fry it until the seeds get golden brown. This is how it should look, golden brown. Fry it. Stir it. And this is how it should look. This is how it should look. Make an offering and enjoy.